Hello boys and girls, welcome to music class. Okay, this tuition is for the keyboardists and the pianists, and today we will be putting together the chords that we learned in the key signature of C, and play a song which everyone knows, Maroon 5, Girls Like You. Okay, so I will be putting the song at the side over here, so you'll be able to see it with the chords and the words. And let us try and play this song and get to learn how to do it. So without further ado, we shall switch to the keyboard view and I will show it to you from there. Follow the chords and the words at the side, and as you know, the chords in the key of C are C or C major, F and G. Okay, if I say C directly, it means C major. It's a short form. So C, F and G are the three major chords, and three minor chords are A minor, D minor and E minor. So all these chords we will be playing for this particular song. Okay, now it's not necessarily that when you play in the key of C that you're going to play all these chords. You may play most of these chords, and sometimes, rarely, you'll be playing a chord outside the key signature, okay, which they call the accidental chord, just for information. So let us go ahead and learn this in the key of C. Follow the words and the chords at the side. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Okay, for the first line you can see is there, spend 24 hours, I need more hours with you. Now on 24 the chord of C is played. Now you should know by now the chord of C. Okay, if you haven't, just run through the previous tutorials and learn these chords, particular chords. C, chord spelling of C is C, E and G. The next chord that we have is G, which is G, B and D. But I'll be playing an inversion, what is called the second inversion. That means I'll be playing all these three notes, but in a different way. I'll be playing this D over here. Okay, and there's A minor. A minor also is A, C and E, but I will be playing it in this inversion. Inversion means a different position. So this C I will be playing here, and A minor will be played like this. And the last chord we have F, which I'll be playing the normal position, which is F, A and C. Okay, so C, G and A minor and F. I've taken these forms because this is the easiest to change. Instead of jumping from C to G, then A minor, and again to F, here I can change very easily. So you must use your inversions while playing your songs. Okay, so now the left hand is just going to play the main note C. I spent 24 hours, I need more hours with you. You spend the weekend getting even. We spend the late nights getting things right between us. Okay, now I'm playing this, just playing it like that without any expression, but let us do little expression and sound nice. Spend 24 hours, I need more hours with you. You spend the weekend getting even. We spend the late nights getting things right between us. But now it's all good, baby, roll back that baby and play me close. Okay, now a slight rhythm will come through the chorus. 'Cause girls like you Okay, I'm not singing, just listen to the rhythm. C left hand, C right, right, G right, so left, right, G, right, F, right, F, right, left, right, right, right. So when I'm saying left, I'm playing this 2 notes of C in the left hand. If you want, you can play 1 note. So how the singing goes, 'cause girls like you run around with guys like me till the sun comes down. And girls like you, yeah, yeah, girls like you love fun and man. And I want them through any girl like you, yeah, yeah. Okay, so I'm just showing you how it goes, and let's do it with expression. 'Cause girls like you run around with guys like me till the sun comes down. I need a girl like you, girls like you love fun and me, and yeah, me too. When I want, I come right through, and I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Now the rhythm increases even more. Hey, yeah, 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 yeah. Sorry, G, C, yeah, yeah. Now see this last, this post chorus I'm going to play. So I'm basically going. So 1 left, 2 of right. This is for the post chorus. Yeah, 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 yeah. I need a girl like you. Yeah, 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 yeah. I need a girl like you. Okay, and so on and so forth, the rhythm will go on. Now see, rhythm is a very personal thing. You can play it in a different way, but it must sound nice and full. So you can play rhythm in a many types of ways, but you must try and be close to the rhythm of the song. So you can't play Girls Like You in a different unmatching, you can say not matching rhythm. You have to get a rhythm that will kind of match. I can play this. Okay, so try and copy this rhythm as I'm playing it. I'm going to take the whole round from the beginning right till the post chorus. So listen how the song will go and try and get the feel of the song. Okay. Spend 24 hours and need 4 hours with you. You spend the weekend getting even. Ooh. We spend the late night making things right between us. But now it's all good, baby. Alright then, baby, play me close. 'Cause girls like you run around with guys like me till the sun comes down. I need a girl like you. Yeah, girls like you love fun and make me too. And when I walk right through, I need a girl like you. Yeah, 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 yeah. So that's how you can do the rhythm and change it throughout the whole song. So I'm giving you the whole song now with all the chords written on top here. It will be at the end. You take a snapshot and take a printout of each page. Remember to change the chord exactly where the word shows the chord on top. So change the chord exactly there. So spend 24 hours. There's a C. I need more hours. There's a G. With U, U is A minor, and F is without after U. Okay? So have fun learning this song, and it's best to learn the words by heart so it becomes easy for you to play also. Okay, have fun with the song. Take care. Bye.